Once upon a time.
In a cozy burrow, Rusty the rabbit lived with his woodland friends, enjoying peaceful days in the forest. One stormy night, heavy rain poured down, causing a nearby river to swell dangerously. The forest animals, including Rusty, gathered anxiously, worried about the rising water levels. As the river overflowed, the animals' homes were threatened by the rushing water. Rusty knew they needed to act fast to stay safe, so he quickly led his friends to higher ground. He worked tirelessly, helping each friend find a safe place away from the rising waters. With everyone secure, Rusty and his friends waited out the storm, huddled together for warmth and comfort. As the morning sun rose, they emerged to find their homes safe but a bit wet. The animals worked together to repair their homes and cleaned up the mess left by the storm.